Hi guys. In today's video, I'll show you extreme engine swaps. Let's get started. The first on our list is a Fiat 500, with a V12 engine from Lamborghini. It produces 580 horsepower and 650 Nm of torque. As you can see, the engine and gearbox take almost all the space available in the cabin. Impressive that it was even possible to put that huge engine into this little car. Next on the list is the Mazda RX-7, in which the rotary engine was replaced by the 5-liter V8 from the Mustang. In order to fit such a huge engine, it was necessary to cut a hole in the hood. Let me know in the comments if you like this Japanese sports car with an American heart. In this Subaru, the 2-liter boxer was replaced with a 6.2 liters LS3 from a Corvette, which sounds wonderful. I will put the link in the description, where you can see the time-lapse of placing the engine in the car. They call him the demon on 4 wheels. This is a Nissan Soviet transplanted engine from LS3 Corvette. In this case, it generates an unbelievable 717 horsepower, and with nitro its maximum power is said to be 945 horsepower. I certainly wouldn't like to meet him at traffic lights. Engine from Mercedes SLS and Lotus Exige? Why not? The sound that this engine makes is a perfect match for the racetrack appearance of this Lotus. I must admit that this is my favorite swap engine on this list. What do you think about it? That's all I have prepared for you. Hope you like this kind of videos. Car Nose Swap is coming soon, so if you don't want to miss it, subscribe to this channel. Goodbye.